Jai Shri Ram. Sundarakanda Parayanam, Chapter 41. Hanuman spoils the Ashoka gardens. Hanuman, after leaving Sita Devi, thought, "There is a little more work to be done. I have seen Sita Mata, that is done. Now there are 4 ways to approach the rest of my mission. Sama, a peaceful approach; Dhana, bribery or financial assistance; or Bheda, comparison or disparity. None of these approaches will work with the demons. Veda or comparing Ravana with anyone will not motivate him because Ravana is already one of the greatest kings. Danda, punishment or fighting is the only way. Ravana is stubborn, so a peaceful approach will not work. Financial assistance will not work because he is already very rich. The only approach Ravana will understand is fighting. To do Sri Rama's work, fighting is the only way here. If I fight with some demons and kill them, they will soften a little bit. There is more than one way to do even a small task. One who knows several ways to do a task can successfully complete it. I have to assess Ravana's strength. I have to see the distinction between the strength of the monkeys and demons. If I can give a full report, then I will have done a good job of Sugriva's orders. If I can fiercely fight, only then can I compare my strength with theirs. Once I can fight with Ravana's military and high-level advisors, only then will I know their strength. Ravana's plan will become clear. Then I can return. This Ashoka garden seems to be wonderful and beautiful with a variety of trees, fruits, flowers and plants. I shall destroy this like a forest fire. If I ruin and destroy this garden, Ravana is sure to get angry and send an army of horses and soldiers with multiple weapons and arms. I will fight with all my strength and valor, kill them all and go back to Kishkinda. After much thought, Marutatmaja exploded with anger and energy and started uprooting and pushing up tall trees. The trees started falling down with great noise. The birds from the fallen nests flew away with cries and the surrounding buildings of the garden collapsed. The steps to the ponds were all gone. The once beautiful garden looked like a destroyed forest. The snakes started coming out freely. The luxurious pleasant garden was ruined. After destroying everything, Hanuman waited near the Ashoka tree. Jai Shri Ram. Sundarakanda Parayanam, Chapter 41, complete.